Lean Six Sigma on resume for rewarding career benefits. Obtaining a Six Sigma certification can play a vital role in navigating this transformative landscape. The automated transformation has become the most sizzling famous articulation of this decade. New developments and mechanical assemblies support the transformation outing of associations of every kind imaginable. Similarly, mechanized transformation fast tracks an association's turn of.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Events. Meanwhile, we must take care of quality control, and this helps the businesses the successful transformation. Keeping on the head of creating business areas and cycles, the American Association Motorola developed another thought of quality organization measure in 1986. A Six Sigma expert has a sound theory of guidelines and techniques. Therefore, concentrated on business transformation through a portrayed measure. This finished thing is Six Sigma. Benefits of having Six Sigma certification on resume. Showcase of problem-solving proficiency. Possessing Six Sigma certification signifies more than just knowledge. It demonstrates your prowess in systematic problem-solving methodologies. Employers seek candidates who can navigate challenges, analyze data, and implement effective solutions. The inclusion of Six Sigma on your resume is a tangible representation of your ability to lead and contribute to the continuous improvement of processes. Commitment to quality and excellence. By featuring Six Sigma certification on your resume, you signal to employers that you not only comprehend the principles of delivering value to customers, but prioritize excellence in every facet of your work. This commitment is a valuable trait in roles where precision and quality is vital. Versatility across industries. One of the notable advantages of Six Sigma is its universal applicability across diverse industries. Including Six Sigma on your resume positions you as a versatile professional capable of applying proven methodologies in various business environments. This versatility is particularly appealing to employers seeking candidates adaptable to different industry settings. Differentiation in a crowded job market. Six Sigma certification provides a distinctive edge, signaling to employers that you possess a unique skill set focused on achieving results and driving continuous improvement. This differentiation can be a decisive factor in securing interviews and standing out among other candidates. Contribution to operational efficiency. Six Sigma's primary focus on streamlining processes and eliminating inefficiencies aligns seamlessly with the responsibilities of many roles. By highlighting Six Sigma on your resume, you communicate your proficiency in optimizing processes, reducing waste, and contributing to overall operational excellence, making you an asset to prospective employees. In summary, having Six Sigma certification on your resume is a strategic move that extends beyond a qualification. It's a testament to your problem-solving proficiency, commitment to quality, and versatility across industries. As you shape your resume, incorporating Six Sigma enhances your professional profile, making you a sought-after candidate in today's dynamic job market. How does Lean Six Sigma add value to your resume? In this domain of professional world, where a compelling resume can make all the difference, incorporating Lean Six Sigma certification stands out as a strategic move. Let's explore how Lean Six Sigma adds significant value to your resume, making you a sought-after candidate in today's job market. Demonstration of problem-solving expertise. Lean Six Sigma certification is a testament to your proficiency in problem-solving methodologies. Employers seek candidates who can navigate challenges, analyze data, and implement effective solutions. By showcasing Lean Six Sigma in resume, you highlight your ability to lead and contribute to the continuous improvement of processes. Commitment to quality and excellence. Lean Six Sigma is synonymous with a commitment to quality and excellence. Certifying in this methodology signals to employers that you not only understand the principles of delivering value to customers, but also prioritize excellence in every aspect of your work. This commitment is a valuable asset in roles where precision and quality control are paramount. Versatility across industries. One of the remarkable advantages of Lean Six Sigma is its applicability across various industries. By having this certification on your resume, you position yourself as a versatile professional capable of applying proven methodologies in diverse settings. This versatility is particularly appealing to employers seeking candidates adaptable to different business environments. Contribution to operational efficiency. Lean Six Sigma focuses on streamlining processes and eliminating inefficiencies. By highlighting this certification, you signal to prospective employers that you bring a skill set geared toward enhancing operational efficiency. This is especially attractive in roles where optimizing workflows and resource utilization are critical for success. Leadership and project management skills. Achieving Lean Six Sigma certification is not just a recognition of knowledge but also an acknowledgement of your leadership and project management skills. It demonstrates your capacity to lead improvement projects, guide teams, and contribute significantly to organizational goals. This is a key selling point for roles that require effective leadership and project execution. Competitive edge in the job market. In a crowded job market, setting yourself apart is crucial. Lean Six Sigma certification provides that edge, signaling to employers that you possess a unique skill set focused on achieving results and driving continuous improvement. This competitive advantage can be a decisive factor in securing interviews and landing desirable positions. Alignment with modern organizational practices. As organizations increasingly embrace Lean Six Sigma principles, having this certification align your skill set with modern organizational practices. Employers recognize the value of professionals who bring contemporary methodologies to the table, making your resume stand out as a reflection of current industry trends. To conclude, adding a Lean Six Sigma in resume goes beyond a mere qualification. It's a strategic move to elevate your professional profile. It communicates a dedication to excellence, problem-solving prowess, and a commitment to contributing significantly to organizational success. As you shape your resume, integrating Lean Six Sigma is a compelling way to demonstrate your value and make a lasting impression on prospective employees.
You found this video informative and useful. We'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.